So, welcome friends. This is Aditya and today's talk is about Power BI, very important concept like data model. So let's start the video. So today I'm explain what is data model in Power BI, how two connected table to each other in Power BI. For example, one table is customer name and second table is customer uh, customer order. So third table we can create with this column. One column is common column like customer ID. We can create two table visual in one page. For example, one table is customer name and second table is customer order. The table like customer ID. So this table is common table with both. So we can create relationship between two table and create a visual on two table at one visual in one page. So this connection between two tables called relationship will create a relationship in Power BI in data model. We can create in model view in Power BI. So Power BI support five type of relationship like one to one to many, many to one, many to many. So this type of relationship in the table we can use it for creating dashboard reports or other type of work in data analytics. So this concept like rarely used in data analytics, but we can know that key uh, SQL use this type of relationship, but Power BI also use this type of relationship without any relationship like one to many, many to many, one to one, or one to many. This relationship use data very easily to simplify and very easy to identify. Without any relationship, data cannot show any other information about the business. A good data model avoid the mistakes and business ethics, but show the correct and better result for the business. So data model mainly used for business perspective are hardly for the data analytics. So always check our two table or we can create any relationship or any type of relation between two table. We can easily find out our visual or any effect. Our save time, our time is saving, so our workload is managed with this relationship mode. So thank you for this is for day 8 and see you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching my video. I am very enjoying this journey of my creating video, just writing a script on notebook and read it and show on camera and what talent me have and showing my other skills. But the speaking English is my passion about speaking English in group of people, but I am trying to practice it uh, inside of camera and I'm getting better day by day. So thank you for watching.